Hi, and welcome to the enclosure. In my last update, I talked about some exciting sponsorship news that was coming up, and I'm going to get into one of the sponsors today. I have two more to talk about in future updates, but this one's a bit overdue, and it's been overdue because of the COVID situation delaying my pickup of the goods because of store hours and just other things that I had to get done. Anyway, I am pleased to announce that AVS Electronics has graciously sponsored the project. I contacted Maxim Fomenko a few months back talking about my project and that I was interested in a waterproof TV for the master bedroom or bathroom for the bathtub area. And I had done some research, and the units available from AVS Electronics seemed to have the best overall package of features. And he was more than happy to send me a TV after I paid for the freight. And I am going to do an unboxing today. I have not just cracked the box open, but I have not looked at it myself yet. And so we're going to do that together, and then I'll talk about the features that it has available to it. So it is AVS Electronics. It is a 27-inch waterproof TV. The model number is an AVS270SM. If you want to look up their website, it's avselectronics.com, and we'll go from there. So let's unpack it and see what we got. So we've got a warranty card, we've got some installation instructions, we've got operation instructions. Let's open this up. So installation, this talks about the size of the niche that it will be installed into. We've got some YouTube, their official YouTube channel, warranty card, actual installation of the product, all in fairly easy to understand pictures, no words, so they don't have to translate. Smart. So the TV is made in China, and I believe it is marketed through a Russian company, and it's sold through various North American online retailers. But I was able to approach them and go direct to them. Then a user manual and another warranty card. So that is the documentation package. Now, as you can see, it's well boxed. This has come a long way, and it's in excellent shape. Carrying handles make it easy to lift. It is, let's see, where's the weight on my list here? It is 32 pounds, 14.7 kilos. That's the TV itself. So the packaging adds a few kilos to that. So let's see what we got here. Very well packaged. So I'm just going to step out of frame for a second and go grab a knife. Okay. Oh yeah. No wonder it's protected so well. It's got an inch and a half of this dense foam. Now figure out the best way to take this out. I think we're going to take the ends off if we can. Are they glued? Oh, I think it's glued, so I don't want to do that. I'll fast forward you through some of these more boring parts. Okay, so power cord, composite video. So we've got the sound and the composite video into a what is that? A 3.5 inch mini or 3.5 millimeter mini. The power puck adapter, some mounting hardware. We've got a remote. Oh, that's probably a mounting pad of some sort. It might be. But anyway, remote. Looks like a fairly well laid out remote. Yeah, this can be stuck to something. And then we've got, not sure what this would be if the other one's a remote. Another remote. So that's interesting. And this one much more skookum as far as weight. So we'll have to wait until it's installed and figure out why the two remotes. This looks like it's actually more of a universal remote that does, it has digital TV. Yeah, I'm not sure. And then this, I believe, is the vibration speakers. But let's just have a look. Oh no, this would be the mounting brackets. So the chassis on this thing is a metal chassis, and then it's got its 1080p LED screen, 27-inch screen, and it's got a 170-degree viewing angle, so it's great viewing angle. So this is what's going to go inside the niche, inside the wall. This gets mounted to the wall, and then the TV gets mounted to this. So I'm going to put this out of the way. And then the actual TV. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. It's interesting. It weighs a lot more than you would think it would weigh. I'm going to put the protective caps back on the edge while we flip it up. Make sure we don't damage the screen. Oh, that didn't work out well. So there we've got the actual unit. It's got it still has a protective peel-off coating on it. Got power, volume up and down, channel up and down. This does have a built-in tuner. It's got both a digital and an analog tuner. The analog is a PAL, CCAM, and NTSC. And the digital is DVB-T/T2/C/S2, which supports H.264, H.265, and Dolby. But in, I think most of North America, the built-in tuners are kind of obsolete because you must have a tuner with your cable provider that descrambles the digitized signal that's sent to your house. But it does have a tuner. It's got a 16.9 aspect ratio. It has a USB host function, which supports a USB stick or USB hard drive for playing back of video, pictures, and audio. So let's put it back in the box, and I'll open up the back. So again, I'm just going to go off screen quick and grab some hardware. Sure, I wasn't. I hadn't. As I said, I didn't open it up, so I didn't know all what I was going to need to have a look at the thing. The back of the unit is IP4 waterproof rating. The front of the unit is IP65 waterproof rating. So because the back of the unit goes inside a niche and it's basically sealed to the tile surround, so the back of the LCD is siliconed to the tile surface, there's no water that gets to the back side of the unit. It's available in both a mirror frame and a white frame. Okay, so we've got two USB ports, and we've got a series of mini jacks. We've got the color AV RS232 and PC audio in a series of jacks. We've got I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. What I'll do is I'll take a photo and I'll superimpose that over top of the video. But we've got the power jack connection. We've got an HDMI 2. We've got an HDMI 1. We've got an infrared. I believe that's for an extender. So if you need to extend the infrared signal, if it's not getting to the front of the TV, I'm not exactly sure what you would use that for. And then you've got your standard Cablevision coax connector, and you've got a 75 ohm antenna connection. So that's it. That's what you get with the kit. You can tell it's extremely well made. It's very thick metal. It's actually a lot better quality than a lot of the local TVs, the Sony TVs and stuff that I've looked at in the past, as far as the thickness of the materials used. I will do follow-up videos as I'm installing it, and then I'll do a follow-up video once it's installed and we can actually put it into use. I didn't talk about the speakers. If you remember, when I took it out of the package and showed you the front, there was no holes whatsoever. It uses what's called a vibration speaker, so it's actually vibrating the glass. And it's got two speakers. They're 8 watts apiece, and because there's no holes, therefore it's waterproof. So it's going to be interesting to see the sound quality that comes out of that. I'm not looking for a theater experience here. I'm a bath guy, and I'd like to be able to watch some of my shows while I'm having a bath and multitask. Efficiency is my watchword, as a lot of my friends would say. So that is it. I think I've handled the glass is tempered glass, which obviously it needs to be for safety in a shower area. I believe that is all of the specs that I was going to talk about. So we'll see you again. This was Maxim Fomenko from Avis Electronics. Matt Zhang was in China and arranged for shipment. Thank you to both Maxim and Matt for your generosity and your assistance getting this to me. And I look forward to putting it in service and talking about it in the future. So thanks for visiting, and we'll talk again soon.